Today I am going to talk you about capsicum. Can you grow capsicum, bell pepper free of cost with seeds? It's a very easy and simple way to grow capsicum, bell pepper. Cut it in half or in any shape. Take any color of bell pepper, capsicum. There is less chances to germinate green capsicum's seeds because it is unripe kind of bell pepper, capsicum. Bell pepper change its color after green to red or in any other color. So the green is raw. Use these seeds to grow in the pot or in soil. Seed germination rate is very high. If you will sow the seeds, you will get more than 100 plants from one bell pepper. Sow it in well sunshine area. Or keep its pot in sunshine. Bell pepper needs not any pesticide or spray. There is no need of any fertilizer to grow capsicum or bell peppers. Its plants with flowers and mini capsicums and bell peppers looks like this way. I hope you will enjoy.